It's been a while. We've taken the summer off and now we're back on a beautiful fall day to do a nice Halloween do-it-yourself. So this is what we're going to try today. It's pretty simple, we hope. It looks simple and that's what we're here to figure out. As happy hackers, we just see videos that we like and we give it a try to see if it's actually as easy as it looks. So let's show you the items that we need. So this here is one of those things that holds your tomatoes when you're growing them. It's like a vine. We need rubber bands, little twinkle lights or mini lights, some black felt, a couple balloons or clear balloons, and the Velcro, and these white sheets. So let's put that up there and we'll wrap the lights around it. Here's yours. Great, we've got one. So we'll just move the blanket here and you have yours. Okay, so let's just wrap them from the beginning, I guess.
I think it's good to keep the batteries at the bottom so that you're able to turn it on.
Yeah, we just leave it. Oh, good. Okay, so let's do the balloons.
Okay.
Okay, let's try and blow them up. Just take the tops. Untie on one of that. And that way we can drop it through and hopefully that'll pull the balloon a little tighter. Nice white sheet. Okay, let's go up over top. Ah! We dropped his head. So now we've just taped it a little bit all around the balloon, but we're afraid the balloon's gonna pop. But let's go with this and drop it down. There we go. Okay, we got our ghost. He's here. Just need some eyes. We gotta put his eyes on. So we've got the Velcro. We're just gonna peel those off and stick one on each of the little felt eyes. And then we're gonna stick one to the sheet. There, okay. Let's see. How do those eyes look? There you go. Let's turn the lights on. Yeah. There's one. Is that both? Yeah, both. Yay, this is our little ghost. Thank you so much for joining us for Happy Hackers. Don't use the balloon. Try and get the foam balls because these were a real pain to wrap around. But great job.
Yeah.
Missing a couple of our Happy Hackers today, but the two of us are here to do this with you. So subscribe, see more of our do-it-yourself projects, and thanks so much. Now let's turn these off, but meanwhile, happy Halloween from the Happy Hackers.